Today I'm making a Mediterranean style air fryer omelette, or I guess it's a frittata really, but either way it's a quick and easy air fryer recipe that's perfect for a light lunch or even a breakfast. And of course it's a healthy meal that's high in protein, so it is really filling. So let's start by prepping the ingredients. While I'm doing this, I like to heat up the pan in the air fryer so that it's hot when the omelette mixture hits it. I have just used some olive oil in a spray bottle. I think this one was from Lidl, but you can use any oil. I set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. So I used some courgette. I did weigh it. It was around 50 grams, but don't worry too much about exact quantities. Just chop it up into small chunks. Then I used 3 cherry tomatoes and I chopped them up too. So I've used 4 eggs. This can easily be a meal for 2 people if you serve it with some salad on the side too, or it's a filling meal for 1. So beat the eggs and then stir in the chopped vegetables. I added 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dried mixed herbs, followed by 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Next, pour the mixture into the tin and add it to the air fryer basket. Try and make sure the courgette and tomatoes are evenly distributed. Then close the air fryer and set it off for 10 minutes. Have a quick check on it at around 8 minutes to make sure it's not cooking too quickly. Mine took 10 minutes, but it will depend on your air fryer. Use oven gloves to remove the tin and then slide the omelette out. You may need to use a spatula to get it out if any has stuck to the tin. You can eat this while it's warm or save it for later once it's cooled down. And that's it, a quick and easy air fryer omelette. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments what your favourite omelette fillings are. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.